Part of the honorable global delivery our students, our immigration program supervisor, Mrs. Agnes Lago, our President District,
Ako ginana, ako to. Nadawa.
our school Mrs. Alona Eduardo, members of the Saguyang Bayan, distinguished guests, beloved parents, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am honored to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate and witness the graduation and opening up ceremony of Batch 2025 and 2026. Allow me to extend my warmest welcome to everyone present in this momentous occasion. Our graduation and opening up ceremony with a theme. Filipino veterans prepared to live with confidence and character. Today is truly as I celebrate our achievements, love, and hard work as we take a step forward in our academic journey. I am Jay Murugan, and I'm honored and I feel deeply honored to have the opportunity to speak before you today. On behalf of Batch 2025-2026, I sincerely welcome everyone to the graduation and opening up ceremony of Don Victoriano National High School. I would also like to express a heartfelt gratitude to my parents, families, and friends for the love and constant support. Likewise, I'm truly thankful to the faculty and staff of Don Victoriano National High School for the love and patience. For me, this moment is
Nadala na siya tubig.
but also about remembering our challenges in life and
Dala na niya ibalik.
today feels like joy, hope, and pride for what lies ahead. My high school journey has been unforgettable and has prepared me in the future. Although my experience I share a strong bond with my fellow students as part of Batch 2025-2026 and also graduate of Don Victoriano National High School. I feel excited and hopeful as I move on to the next stage of my life. I know that without my parents, guardians, and teachers, I wouldn't have reached this point. They have guided me, supported me, and helped me to grow to who I am today. To my classmates, I congratulate all of you for reaching this important milestone. Our dedication and perseverance have brought us here, and I believe this is only the beginning of greater accomplishments in the future. To the senior high school graduating class, I wish you all the best and good luck in the coming years. May the years ahead be kind to all of us, and may God in His wisdom bless us with success. Congratulations, and God bless you in the journey that awaits you. Once again, I warmly welcome everyone, and sincerely thank you for being part of this wonderful celebration.